So this is what it's all about. This case is all about the wording in this manual. And I want to go over it with an explanation so you guys can understand right away. Let's look at this manual closely. So here it is. This is an exact copy of the manual. It's available on mbvgato.com. Right inside the front cover, it clearly states battery limited warranty, 8-year, 100,000 miles. Warranty begins on page 11. So you go to page 11, and there it is. New vehicle limited warranty. This is pretty much a standard warranty that you'd expect on any car. It has its limitations. It says what the terms are. It says what's not covered. It does not mention the battery and what's not covered. Normal maintenance is a responsibility of the owner, which includes filters, which this desiccant filter inside the battery is a air filter that filters out moisture, very similar to the air filter you have in an internal combustion engine that filters out dust. Very easily replaced. And that's pretty much it. If the manual ended there, we wouldn't be here today. We wouldn't be talking about this warranty. This is all about body repair and things like that. This is, not even part of the warranty. That warranty ended. And then on page 22, there's the battery limited warranty. Now, Mercedes-Benz USA relies completely on the wording of this warranty. And this warranty, I believe, is very much proves my point. Let's go to the first few paragraphs of it. This battery warranty supplements the warranty. Everybody knows by definition a supplement is something that's added to something. A supplement never takes anything away. So it says it's a supplemental warranty. It's for the lithium-ion battery. And it confirms that there is a lithium-ion battery warranty within the new vehicle limited warranty. This battery coverage is separate from, and in addition to, doesn't take anything away, to the express conditions warranties from the vehicle warranties in that coverage. If you look at this, what this covers here is battery degradation. Battery capacity doesn't drop below the 70%, or 19.6 kilowatts for the 28 kilowatt battery. That is what this is about. Now, there's conditions to this warranty, not different from the conditions of the other warranty, that says that somebody needs to bring the car in for inspection once a year. That inspection includes changing that filter, which I did, and I also inspected it. I'm an automotive enthusiast. I have an automotive lift in my garage at my house. So that just sort of explains what kind of an automotive enthusiast I am. I'm a former automotive mechanic. I'm comfortable doing all this maintenance, especially something as simple as this. And there's even a video on the website showing how to get that done. But as you look at these conditions for this, it says it here several times. Go ahead and read it, because there's a copy on my on the MBV Gato, that the conditions void this warranty, not the other warranty. They void this warranty. And the wording in here also confirms that this does not alter or extend that 8-year coverage. Well, this is clearly an 8-year warranty. If that coverage in the new car warranty was anything less than 8 years, obviously this would extend that warranty. So this is confirming not alone that there is a warranty in the new vehicle limited warranty, it also confirms that that warranty is 8 years long. So I don't get it. I don't understand why they can't read plain English and interpret plain English. There's a couple other things that I need to say. There's this law called the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. and it explains how automotive warranties need to be. It says two really important things. One is that they have to be clear. They have to write a warranty so it is understandable by consumers. The other thing it says, if there is ambiguity in the warranty, and I'm not saying there's ambiguity here, I think it's really clear that I'm covered, but if there is ambiguity, that ambiguity goes against the writer of the warranty, which is Mercedes-Benz USA. So even if this isn't as clear as I really think it is, it certainly is ambiguous, and that should go against Mercedes-Benz USA, and they should cover my warranty.